Hey everyone, my mom is with me. She do the video. So we go to do a test, another test with the charcoal, and do it down the street. And we had a dog. And
We checked for no cars.
Yeah,
So
I
far,
know
no
too.
cars again. So let's see this bad boy. Get it in the middle, silly. No cars still, it's okay. Okay. Look how fast that thing is. Why'd you come this way? Keep going down the street, silly HP. Yeah. Make it go. Down the street. What are you?
That and this. That for this.
Down there. It's hard to control, apparently. Pretty cool, right? You want to bring it back this way now or no?
Sure.
You don't have to pick it up. You just turn it, silly. Ah! Fast, right? It backs up. Nice steering there, bud. Nice.
Okay.
Still no cars, but good. Whoa, it rolled in the grass. It normally doesn't, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pets keep falling down.
That's what she wore at her Spartan race. Did y'all check out that video of her at the Spartan?
Definitely out. It's awesome.
It is awesome.
And you can do it too. Look it up, and my mom will tell you more about it.
Yes, go to SpartanRace.com or SpartanRace.com/kidsrace. You can even go to SpartanRace.com/results and see Anna placed in the 60th spot out of 5,000 kids. She was the 60th fastest kid. Is that incredible? Give her 2 thumbs up and like and subscribe to her channel to show her some love.
And stay awesome and share the peace.